What are the signs your fridge is dying?
A fridge that is no longer giving you the cold shoulder when you reach in is slowly dying. Whether the motor, blower or refrigerant coils, I don't know.
I do know that costly repairs are a good reason to go replace the unit, especially given the greater energy efficiency of the newer units.
One sign it is dying is if it isn't making any noise. If the motor dies, it gets eerily quiet.
That can be costly to fix.
Wait until you hear an eerie whistle through the pipes, meaning there's no refrigerant in them as the pump tries to circulate it and all you get is air escaping through the cracks.
When my AC needs a recharge, that's several $100s.
It is not as bad with a refrigerator, but it is still costly. The cost depends on whether the refrigerant leak was so mild it created so much condensation or literally froze pipes.
Condensation does create rust or corrosion if it had aluminum or copper pipes over steel ones.
A possible sign you need to replace the fridge is if it keeps leaking water.
That might mean the freezer drain or fridge drain needs to be cleaned out, or if the tray under the fridge needs to be emptied out.
Or it means that there is a water leak in the pipes. Boy, will that ruin the electronics.
What electronics?
A lot of fridges have fancy control panels to control temperature profiles and maximize its efficiency. If that gets wet or just goes on the fritz, it may cost as much as a new but cheap fridge to fix.
I heard you could reset the control panel to fix some errors.
If you have to reboot your PC all the time, you might want to consider a new one. If the fridge gives you its equivalent of a blue screen of death, you need to upgrade that too.